Stop wasting your time on walks or extreme workouts. After 40, most people lose strength, mobility, and independence quietly. If you ignore it now, stairs, chairs, and even bending down could start controlling your life. But today, that stops. I'm going to show you the only 5 exercises after 40 that really matter. To rebuild muscle, protect joints, prevent falls, boost metabolism, and feel younger. No crazy machines, no 25-year-old workouts, just movements your body was designed to do. Stay till the end, because I'll reveal why people in Japan, Scandinavia, and Europe age stronger and move freely even in their 70s. Exercise 1, squat, chair, or body weight. Chair squats for beginners. Squats are not optional after 40, they are a life skill. Every sit, stand, or stair climb is a squat pattern. Lose this strength, and daily life becomes a struggle. Benefits: strengthens thighs, hips, glutes, core, protects knees and joints, improves balance, and prevents falls. Start with a chair. Sit slowly, stand powerfully. Focus on form over reps. Even 10 controlled squats a day will improve your leg strength after 40. Exercise 2. Push-ups. Push-ups train your upper body and core together, just like daily life demands. After 40, pushing strength disappears first, making doors, lifting bags, or getting off the floor harder. Start with wall or counter push-ups. Gradually move to the floor. Consistency greater than intensity. If this video is helping, like it now. It tells YouTube to show this to people who think they're too old to get strong. Comment strong after 40 to lock in your commitment. Exercise 3. Glute bridge. Most lower back pain comes from weak hips and glutes, not the spine. Glute bridges wake up your glutes, stabilize your pelvis, and protect your lower back. Pause 2 seconds at the top. Feel your glutes working. Proper form greater than reps. 2 men were studied. 52-year-old who moved purposefully every day. Squats, push-ups, hinges, rows, planks. 40-year-old who walked daily but avoided strength work. The older man moved freely, climbed stairs, and avoided pain. The younger one struggled with simple daily tasks. Age doesn't decide strength, movement quality does. Exercise 4. Row, band, or dumbbell. Modern life pulls you forward. Phones, desks, driving. Rows pull you back, strengthen your upper back, open the chest, and reduce neck and shoulder pain. Slow pull. Control the return. Imagine squeezing a pencil between shoulder blades. Exercise 5. Plank, knees are full. Core is not about abs. It's about stability, balance, and safety. Strong core equals less back pain, better posture, and fewer falls. 20 seconds of perfect form greater than 2 minutes of sloppy plank. Focus on breathing, bracing your core, and maintaining alignment. Japan, Scandinavia, Europe, and US studies agree. Strength training slows aging. Functional exercises improve mobility and independence. Muscle equals longevity and independence. Walking is helpful. Strength is non-negotiable after 40. If you want to stay independent after 40, subscribe now and hit the bell. This channel is full of practical exercises for real-life strength. Train 3 to 4 days per week. Move slowly, controlled. Rest matters. Form beats intensity. Consistency is key. Aging doesn't mean shrinking your life. It means training intentionally, smartly, and safely. Your body is still listening, still adapting, still capable of strength, balance, and energy. Start with these 5 exercises and regain confidence, independence, and vitality. Subscribe for science-backed, functional fitness after 40. Comment, strong after 40 inches to show you're serious. Share with someone who thinks it's too late to get strong.